Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here and I am very happy to see you as always. In this video we're talking about the ingredients that we so often see in the skincare products. But there are actually different things and they are SqualAne and SqualEne. So they're really different. They have different properties and they have different stability and efficacy, so to say, and one ingredient is completely not suitable for acne-prone, combi, and or oily skin. Let's begin with the SqualEne with an E. That's actually the ingredient that is naturally produced by our body. It has its peak activity in the teen ages, and then its production is slowing in your 20s and 30s, like elastin and collagen, all these things. To be more specific, SqualEne is produced by the oil glands in your skin. It's like our natural moisturizer, but as its production declines with age our skin appears a little drier or even rougher, if we look at it. So, what's very important to know about SqualEne? It's highly comedogenic. It is not stable. It is not stable because it's a very powerful, in fact, antioxidant. So because it's an antioxidant, it becomes rancid pretty fast. So it spoils faster, and we do not want anything to spoil fast, right? Whatever we apply on our face. So it's susceptible to oxidation because it's an antioxidant. What we know about SqualEne now, that it is a fat-soluble antioxidant. The process of oxidation is very common in antioxidants. It spoils very fast, and it's highly comedogenic, thus not suitable for all skin types. So when you pick up a product and you see SqualEne with an E, and you suffer from acne, blemishes, you just in general have combi skin, it might be clear you don't want to aggravate any condition, so you skip that ingredient and that product, right? So now let's talk about SqualAne. The most important thing about SqualAne is that it's not a natural ingredient. So it's the product of hydrogenation. And this is not an antioxidant anymore, which is actually good news in this case because it doesn't spoil fast. The process of hydrogenation creates SqualAne from SqualEne, and basically creates a stable form of the molecule, but also SqualAne is different in color, so it's not yellow as SqualEne is, it's clear if you look at it, and the consistency is a little different. It resembles the oil, something softer, thinner, and what's great about it, skin friendly. So if you feel that your skin needs some moisture, it's very common in combi skin when you have a T-zone area and then your cheeks, they in fact do require a little extra hydration and moisture. You can rely on SqualAne with an A. But all in all, I want to draw a conclusion that I feel that you can still use SqualAne with an A with oily, combi, and acne-prone skin, but still, not every person with these types of skin would benefit from it. Some people will find it too oily, some people will find it too dry, some people will say it doesn't do nothing for their skin. And but I think that people with dry skin, mature skin, will benefit from SqualAne most of all. It's a very good emollient, has very good emollient properties. People with sensitive skin will also benefit, but but obviously people with sensitive skin always need to perform a patch test, even if the product is claimed to be the most ever safe for sensitive skin. SqualAne is a good product when your skin has lost water, right? The skin barrier is not functioning very well, so you need to hydrate your skin, so you could use SqualAne for that purpose. Either for all times or until it's restored. Again, with combi skin, you need to restore the dryness, and then your skin doesn't need much of the moisture or hydration. What are really good benefits here? I like the product because it's very light and it's not greasy, and it absorbs quickly into your skin. There are claims that it helps to regulate oil production, it improves moisture of the skin and its elasticity. But again, keep that in mind, not every oily skin needs any moisturizing or hydrating products. So you have to see what your skin requires at the very certain moment. On the other hand, you do not necessarily need to purchase a 100% SqualAne product. You could simply buy something that has SqualEne in the ingredient list. But even if it's not 100% SqualEne, still make sure it's SqualEne with an A rather than SqualEne with an E. For people with combi skin, oily, normal skin, you could use SqualEne at night, and during the day use a lotion or the gel kind of consistency, something mattifying the skin. There are also claims that SqualEne is good for treating psoriasis, eczema, and dermatitis, but obviously without the doctor, you can't really, diagnose and cure the condition of your skin. And for me, the most important and favorite thing for me you can do with the SqualEne is the facial massage. I'm a huge fan of facial massage. If you are interested in different types, techniques, and also mechanical devices that you could use for your skin, you could check out my guide about skincare massage techniques best for the skin and facial lifting, as well as lymph drainage. There is no proper lifting, anti-aging, nothing if there is no proper lymph drainage. And lymph drainage is not only the facial massage. So I do advise you to check out the guide because you will have a lot of insights, information, tips on how to do proper skincare. And the most important thing of preventing the premature or just the aging. So I think it's really important, right, to know how to take care of your skin and how to prevent all possible problems in the future. It's a lot easier to prevent. This is it, guys. Now you know what's the difference between SqualAne and SqualEne. The only other thing I need to mention that some SqualAne products are made from sharks and some are made from plant sources. So if you really care for the product to be ethically extracted, look for the words bio-based, plant-based, or olive sugar-based SqualAne. If you like this video, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.